Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader, and today is 24th December, London session. We are doing intraday trading live from London to New York. I hope you guys enjoy. Today will be a really short day because tomorrow is gonna be Christmas. So, yep, holiday season too. So, there's gonna be really low volatility and high spread. So, beware. The market is gonna close early off. So, close your trades, take your profits before the market closes because the market is gonna be off. Anyways, how is everybody? I hope everybody is doing fine. Just before I begin, like and subscribe the channel if you haven't. Click the bell icons to stay notified whenever I go online or if I post any new financial videos regarding trading, crypto, or whatsoever. This is gold. We are looking at gold. Today's stream is gonna be educational because today the timing is in a way that market is gonna be off at 18:00 hours. You can go check it out wherever you live, either in the States, Europe, UK, whatsoever. Okay, so let's quickly, first of all, let's go to Elite Wave. But before Elite Wave, let's just talk about what I discussed early on in my weekly analysis video. If you haven't checked my weekly analysis video, please go check it out. So in that analysis video, I mentioned how the gold price is headed towards 2671, 2654, and mostly traders be wary that they need to manage their risk till the price reaches to 2671. Yes, it's retracing after a huge FOMC sell-off. Post FOMC, after the press conference, gold started doing a retracement back up. So mostly what you see right now is purely momentum based retracement. Retracement is healthy. Anyways, as long as gold is being traded above 2605, gold is in a range, really in a sideways range. Let me post the link. Hold on a second. Yeah, gold is in a sideways range. So be really careful. Here's the social link. Okay, so this is the overall perspective what we're gonna head it for this week. Today is market is gonna switch off early off, and right now what you can do is, if you don't have any trades running, you can most probably buy somewhere around 26 1 26 15 26 16, mostly around this area 26 14, and manage your risk till the price just retraces back above 2671. Now currently, let's head back to 5 minute time frame. Let's just talk about what's happening in the world right now. There is no high impact news today, but there's gonna be unemployment claims on Thursday. All right, so be present. Don't think okay, it's just holidays, banks, bank holiday. No, unemployment claim is coming, so we have to prepare for that. But also at the same time, geopolitically, there's lots of stuff that's happening. Is U.S. bombing Houthi, Israel targeting, also targeting Syrian military bases. Plus, I think they did an attack on Iran. So the situation is escalating. Yes, mostly I said late November, December, January, some crazy shit happened. Around this time, COVID happened. Around this time, Qasem Soleimani got assassinated. Around this time, Bin Laden got assassinated. Around this time, Ukraine invasion is started. In around this time, Israel invasion is started. This start of this year is always something crazy happening. So be really careful. Yes, and if you think nothing crazy is happening right now, just go look at the skies in New Jersey and New York and just wonder what the hell is happening. Anyways, even the Middle East crisis is just crazy shit. So, in this madness, what you need to do is hold on to your trades, scalp them, swing them, and get out of the market with the profits. Let's look at intraday today. Okay, this was today since there is really low volume because it's holiday. We saw that in the Tokyo session, Tokyo low was around 26.13, after which Tokyo high and is around 26.21. Right now we are in this range between 26.13 to 26.21 for the intraday. So if you're somebody selling, you most probably should have sold around 26.19, 26.17. Sorry, 26.20, 26.19. But as I say, if you buy only. If you sell only. Don't buy and sell at the same time. If you are doing something wrong, you will most likely, your trade psychology will get affected. I am just gonna buy. I'm gonna wait for it to drop down upon reaching a certain area, and you know, after my trade setup, which have been using, gives me a signal, gives me an entry signal. I will take it with a minimum risk, high reward trade, and this is how we're gonna move. As of now, gold is in a sideway range, but most likely we will follow elite wave for direction. Let gold drop down. The more it drops down, the better area we have for a buy. Always be patient. There's opportunity for buyers and sellers all the time. But a trader, he knows what he's doing. He's patience. Patience is key. Always remember the difference between a buying and a losing trade is the trade psychology, not the trading setup. So if you're having a bad day, just walk away from trading, take a break. And today, by the way, is Christmas, so take it easy. Take it really easy. Okay, so let's see what we can do today over here. I already, took some buy scalps, took the profits, so I'm just waiting. London is always sideways, low. So I'm gonna wait till New York. But if I get a nice opportunity, I'm surely gonna avail it and enter a buy. At the meantime, let's look at Bitcoin. What's happening over there? If you guys haven't watched my micro strategy, 2 minutes video, go check it out. If anybody from the states is trading a micro strategy, he needs to see it. Bitcoin is just doing a sideway range. If we just look at the 4 hourly for direction, we can clearly see that I I told about I told about this early off, and when around the price was making all time here. I just warned about everything over here, and it seems like I really feel like 8 to 10% of the people, they took the advice and made money off from this. Everybody else just waited. And this is my buy zone actually. I bought a lot of crypto over here on a spot. Yeah, it's more of a like, long term financial investment, more of a saving. I mean, something, if it goes sideways or if it doesn't work out, if crypto dumps, I don't care. It's just a small amount I'm gonna keep on buying. I mean, BlackRock is buying on the dump. MicroStrategy, even after, if you see what's happening with MicroStrategy, MicroStrategy yesterday was added on Nasdaq 100. Okay, and it already Nasdaq 100 was on a risk because S&P 500 was dropping, and after the FOMC rate cut decision, and even the Nasdaq 100 was dropping, and just on 23rd December yesterday when it was added, MSTR was added, and Nasdaq 100 it just added more risk despite them buying more. I think yesterday they added around 471 million worth of more bitcoins in their portfolio, but despite that it didn't stop the it from dropping. It just, as soon as the stock market got opened, it dropped from 360 around 362 down to 200 and 330, almost 330, which is a huge significant drop. And if today on the bell, if the stock, if they again too, it started dropping, holy shit, it's gonna be a sell off again. And why is the sell off happening? Because of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to drop, continues to decline, then of course the price of MSTR is also gonna drop down further. So you have to keep that in mind. You have to pave your way through. Here it is, gold set to outshine S&P 500 in 2024 as bullion makes really okay comeback. It's just that people, the thing is, whenever, it's like when nobody wants to buy, that's when you buy. When nobody wants to sell, that's when you sell. But even I, for the I mean the week before, like 2 weeks ago, when it was going up, I was shorting because I was early on shorting. Same on the buying. I was early on the buying. This is why you go back to the chart, see what mistake you are making. I was right, but I was too early on both sides. Then I took a time off. Okay. I waited till the FOMC press conference. Even during the press conference, I tried 2 times to buy, but it didn't go out as as I planned. But anyways, later on, I got really nice trades and I just made profits after profit. It's like once you make profit, you're like I'm back, baby. You keep making profit then. It's like I don't know why. It's like our brains are wired in a way that once something good happens, we are on the right track, right? Something bad happens, it takes time, but once you are there, you correct your mistakes, you know what you're doing, then exactly everything goes according to plan. And don't try it, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Okay, gold is making a small rebound since we are doing intraday trading, so this is a nice scalp setup, this range. But we're gonna wait 2 minutes for this candle to close, then we're gonna enter a buy, small buy scalp. If you have any questions, you can ask me up. By the way, guys, Pro Wolf Trader Group 3 join soon. And third batch, sorry, and the what do you call the fifth batch is starting from 1st January. All the details are in Telegram group. So today is gonna be educational stream. I'm gonna teach carry on from where I was the last time. I was teaching you guys how to use Fibonacci retracement in order to get a nice area for buying, selling, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profits. So today I'm gonna carry on how to use Fibonacci retracements. At the same time, we'll be live trading too and making money, making profits, making pips. Okay, the 5 minute candle is up. Looks like it's going up a small spy scalp. Seems like it. I'm just waiting for a pullback. We will try to get an entry on gold. If we are not able to do that, we will surely grab a sell. I think a sell on Bitcoin is looking more, interesting over here. Exactly over here. I entered a sell without even. My take profit will be around this area. Small buy, sell scalp. And first of all, how do you use Fibonacci retracement? First of all, like, on a 5 minute, okay, there are several ways to use Fibonacci. This is for scalping. Okay, you take the recent low, you put on the recent high. All right, here you have it. So what you can do with Fibonacci retracement is that it helps you with your entry area, with your stop loss, with your take profits. So you are in a so you never just open a trade and just wait for it. You take your partial profits in the golden zone. Okay, I open a trade over here. I'm gonna take my first partial profit. Let's just say around over here. Okay, then the second one we're gonna take at the zero line. It's not that hard. It's you just need a lot of practice. Guys, like the video and subscribe the channel if you find this information quite helpful. Please hit the like the button and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Anyways, so once you played the Fibonacci on a 5 minute, this is 5 minute candle on a recent low, recent high, you decide okay how much my stop loss is gonna be. Okay, you decide then risk to reward ratio. My stop loss on this sell scalp is sitting somewhere around over here. Okay, so let's just say this is my entry area. Okay, I entered over here exactly at 90405. Enter around here and 94405. I entered somewhere around here. Okay, and my stop loss will be is around 95 500. Okay, so oh sorry, what the hell? Yeah, this is my stop loss. Now, okay, so this is my risk to reward. Now, what I'm planning to do is I'm layering trades over here. I'm layering several trades over here. For example, I have 7 to 8 trades. Okay, what I'm gonna do is as soon as it reaches 94010, sorry, what do you call this? As soon as it reaches 94,000, around almost around this area, I'm gonna just take my first profit and put all the other trades on break even so that my trades are running free. It's like free money. This is how you plan your trade. This is what you do. You just don't open the trade and you put it, leave it on the stop loss. Because what if you're busy, you're doing something, you're looking at other crypto or forex pair or whatsoever, and goes in profit, and you're like, okay, I'll take the profit as soon as it reaches there. No, don't wait for it, man. As soon as it hits your TP1, put all, move all the stop loss to break even, so you can relax. Then you were like, okay, what's the worst thing can happen? It go back, it retrace back up, and it hit the area where I took the entry. It goes up, it's all right. Then if it goes down again, you can short it from the top again in a better area, and do the and it's like no emotion. You do this without any emotions. Like, this is your daily shit. You do this daily. So this is how you plan your way. Right now, I took this trade. Okay, my stop loss is sitting at 95,500. Okay, since this is a 5 minute, and my profits is, let's just say, this is my area. I'm targeting, since this we are on a 4 hourly, right? This is the 4 hourly. So what I plan to do is, since it drops over here, we can buy over here. It's a nice area to enter a buy. But since it is in a area, what we can do, first profit, second profit, then TP4 I can decide over here. Let's sorry, TP3 here. Then I can say TP4, then TP5. Take profit. TP means take profit. Okay, done. Now, as soon as this goes down over here, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take profit over here immediately. Why? Because when it goes down, a buying pressure comes in. This is, if you're somebody who's trading crypto like me, he knows exactly what I'm talking about. As soon as it drops down, you see it, retrace back up immediately and then goes down. So grab your profit, let it go up. You have other layers of trade running too. Okay, then the same way is gonna, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And the best advice I can do, the best advice I can give you guys is, while you're trading crypto, is to watch liquidity, Bitcoin liquidity. They go on YouTube. There's lots of channels which you have Bitcoin liquidity live. Watch them while you're trading. Is gonna really help you. And guys, hit the like button and subscribe if you find this information helpful. Majority people, they don't even subscribe the channel. Okay, at least be supportive, man. Be part of the wolf pack. Nobody teaches you stuff. This is stuff. I'm trying to explain these things as simple as possible. Okay, so the same vice versa goes for the in case of a buy entry, but since gold is dropping, we are taking this opportunity to sell, scalp it. Okay, so what's the end goal? There is no end goal. Today's Christmas, right? It's gonna drop down. Listen, you have to also consider in a lot of factors, like why is going down. These candles don't move by themselves. Okay, Donald Trump was the reason behind the crypto pump, and now it's dropping down. Why is dropping down? You need to find these whys. Why is this happening? Why is that happening? Once you find the answers to those whys, that's when you're gonna start grabbing those big profits. So you have to do your research. Okay, don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. I'm saying again. I see a lot of people. They have a lot of potential, but they're just lazy. They don't have in them. You need you need to see yourself successful. Go stand in front of the mirror and say to yourself, I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna be successful. You're not gonna be successful until you have that fire inside you. How can you wake up every morning and go to work, do the same job for the rest of your life, and then you think that you're gonna buy your dream car, your dream home, you're gonna marry your girlfriend, have that life. You cannot do all of that if you just keep on imagining. You need to do it. You need to make it possible, and the only way is to stop being lazy. Educate yourself. We are in the 21st century, okay? This is not 80s or 70s when these elite cord, they hide all this information. No, you have a internet, you have access to books, knowledge. But if you just waste your time on just scrolling through reels on Instagram and YouTube, that's not gonna help. The first thing you need to do right now is go see what apps you are using daily. You should not have more than 5 minutes on Instagram, YouTube, any. If you are watching something educational, then I can say. If you are watching, but don't waste your time. Time is money. Money is not the commodity. Time is the commodity. Understand that. You see these rich assholes. They wear millions of dollars of worth of watch. Why do you think they wear it? Because they show that their time is more important than other people. Okay, the the expensive was signifies how much their time is valuable. Unfortunately, I didn't make these rules. I just found them out. The we live in a concrete jungle. This world is a 21st century concrete jungle. They made these rules. If you are trading, if you want to play their game, you need to understand these rules. These corporates, these hedge funds, these institutions, these market makers, when they short sell the market, your life savings are on the line. When you lose the money, they don't give a shit. They absolutely don't give a shit. So you need to understand how cold these motherfuckers are. So you need to, stay ahead in the game, understand the rules, make your profits and get the hell out. Nothing lasts forever, not a bear market, not a bull market. But you need to learn to survive till the end of the day. That's what is matters. Our sell is running absolutely fine. Take profit one is about to hit. As soon as it hit, we're gonna take our profits and gonna put all the other trades on break even. So means our trade is running on 0% risk. Okay, take profit one has been hit. So as soon as the take profit one hits, what you do is put all your trades, the layers of trade which I mentioned over here, put them on break even. So now your risk, whatever it was at the 9500 or 9600 whatsoever, is 0%. Now this is 0% risk, 100% profit. The worst thing that can happen is the price goes back and hit your break even. So this is how you trade. Relax your mind. The more you're relaxed, the more you're like the more likely you're gonna make profit, and less likely you're gonna make mistakes. Hit the like button, guys. Come on. I'm looking forward to 20 likes today. I'm gonna be streaming entire intraday today. I need 20 likes. I need you guys focus over here. If like the video so I can proceed forward, because otherwise why should I be wasting my time and your time over here? That's how it is, man. Time is really valuable. Okay, so here's this scenario that I was talking about. What if it goes back up? What if after hitting TP1 it immediately goes back up? Hit the entry area. So you come out at break even. Since it's already dropping down, so it's headed towards take profit 2, TP2 area, which is really nice. This is how you can use Fibonacci retracement at a lower time frame, mostly 5 minute, 1 minute. And the more you practice, the more you're gonna, understand how it works. So stop being lazy, stop running after indicators. If you focus on one thing at a time, first Just use Fibonacci. If you understand Fibonacci, then you can apply divergence over here. Look for hidden divergence. Look for hidden bullish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, normal bullish divergence, normal bearish divergence. Then you can apply other stuff. But first, start with Fibonacci, Fibo. This is such a underrated. I don't know why beginner trader, new trader, they run after CCI, RSI, ICT, SMC. You need to first lesson you need to learn is how to use a Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. I have several trading setups. On all my trading setups, Fibonacci retracement is always there. Is always helping me decide where my entry point should be, where my stop loss should be, where my take profit should be. It's just so perfect. It does what it's supposed to do. It shows you where your risk should be, where your reward should be. And this thing has been around for ages and it's absolutely free. But you need to invest your time, sit down on the chart, practice. And trust me one thing, if you don't have a trading view open and you're just trading off MT5, you're gonna lose money. So always have trading view open, always plot your charts, always plan your trades on trading view and execute over there. MetaTrader 5 is not for plotting, it's just an execution software. You can even use whatever brokers you are, their platform, but always plan your trades on TradingView and just execute them on your broker, terminal or MetaTrader 5. That's how it is. Guys, please hit the like button. Come on, guys. It's been an hour. 6 people are watching. If everybody, gives one like, come on, guys. Live is streaming. We're hitting profits. And no likes. Come on, man. Have a big heart. It's heading towards TP2. So, what happens? What is this golden zone? What's so why is called golden zone? Imagine golden zone is a magnet. So it exactly does what a magnet does. Once the price goes to the zero line, there are two possible outcomes. It will retrace back to the golden zone or it will break below. 60% of the time, it will most likely go back and retrace to 0.382. And then afterwards, if we have a, what do you say, if it goes back down, we call it a retracement. And sorry, if in this case, if it completely goes back up, we call it a retracement. If it continues to drop downwards, we call it a reversal, since this is an upward trend and we are on a 5-minute time frame. So now, as you see on a 5-minute, we have to wait 20 seconds for this 5-minute candle, and now we are clearly seeing this is a retracement. We already took take profit at over here, and all our trades are running our break even. So this scenario is also coming in front of you. It's a nice thing. It is happening right now in front of your eyes. Okay, now it's dropping down again on a 5. You have to be really careful. This is why I say always wait. Where I see, it's mostly like this. It's mostly like this. It goes down, it goes, the 50 area, then it comes down, then it goes up, and then it goes down, and it keeps like this, like a snake. So mostly it's like a snake crawling. It looks like it's going up, but it's just like a snake crawling. It's like this. It goes back down at 0.236. It goes back to 0.382. It goes back to 0.50. 50 is the, Fibonacci area. The mid area, the golden one, it goes back up like this. Like this. See this snake crawling? Yep. Now let's head back to gold. Oh, nice drop on gold. Well, this was the drop I was waiting for. Now I'm gonna enter a buy. Yes, a lot of people would say, "Oh, you should have entered." No, I wait for a buy on gold. I sold Bitcoin. I can trade. Bitcoin is more understandable right now. The pattern, the charts, than gold. Okay. For gold, same strategy again. We're gonna wait for a 5-minute candle to close bullish. Then on the nice 5-minute candle, we have to wait. This candle has the potential to go above. Anything can happen over here, but for a more safer side, always wait. Definitely is gonna go up, I know, but I'd rather wait for the next 5-minute candle pullback to enter than enter over here early, due to FOMO. Never FOMO. Come on, guys, like the video, subscribe the channel. 6 people are watching. Come on, guys, like the video. Waiting for a buy entry. Buy on gold. Since Tokyo close, this is just, you know, also one thing. Uh, since I was at Bitcoin, I forgot to mention on gold that market sessions play a really important role. Why? Because you need to understand that if you open the trade at the wrong time, it's gonna, harm you. So look at what happened over here. As soon as the Tokyo session ended, it just dropped down. So if you had a buy open around here before the Tokyo close, you definitely hit your stop loss if you are scalping. So always remember that whenever you're opening a buy or a sell, look what time frame this is and look what market session hour this is. If you are if the price is at the bottom and is pre New York, okay, you should always buy. If it's pre London, it's in the bottom, always should buy. Always remember, if you're buying and selling, look where you are, at the top or the bottom, and what market session hour is this. Is it the pre-London, pre-New York, mid-London, mid-New York, or late New York, or late London session? Market session timing plays a crucial role. People ignore it all the time. 98% people ignore it. This is why they are not profitable. If they go and check their profitable trades and look at the time they open the trade and close the trade, they mostly will find that they opened their trades pre-New York, before the 1 hour the New York open, and as soon as New York opened, it just went up or it went down, depending on where the market was. And then they say, "Oh, it's the market makers." It's not the market makers. You need to understand what time frame you are trading in, what market session. Market session is really important. This is why some of the most profitable traders, they are always awake in the Tokyo session. I'm always awake at Tokyo. Even if I sleep late, I'm always up for Tokyo. I trade 1-2 hours. I place my swing trades. I do my scalps over there, and then I let them run for the rest of the day. London is too slow for me. Normally, before the London starts, my trades are already positioned in and profiting. And I have a premium channel. Over there, I also give the signals. So mostly guys over there who are swing trading, they get in a better position early off. They make their scalp, take the profits, grow their equity, then their swing trades are running in. And by the way, guys, premiums group 3 is available right now. So grab your seat before it's too late. Yep, there are limited seats available. Currently, some guys, they what do you say? They have left that, premium, what do you call, group, because they were in the group for like 4 5 months. Now there's some spots available in group two. There is two spots available in group two, and there are like 17 and 18 spots available in group three. So if you wanna join group two or three, message me, DM me on Telegram. And fifth batch of Pro Wolf traders is starting from 1st January, and there are like 13 seats available right now out of 20. And the last date of registration is like 31st December. So, anyways, here we have just a new 5 minute candle is up. Now we are just waiting for a pullback, and upon this pullback, we're gonna wait for a confirmation, then we're gonna enter a buy. Always wait, never rush, no FOMO. And guys, what are you waiting for? Join the Telegram group, it's absolutely free. The link is given in the bio, and it's also on the, what you say, it's pinned in, the message is pinned in. Join the Telegram group, it's absolutely free. I'm also making a free Telegram group and a WhatsApp group. All you need to do is sign up on a specific broker and deposit money and start trading, and send the screenshots, and then you'll be added in a group, free group, where signals will be provided for free, but there are some terms and conditions. You're gonna get like 4 to 5 signals per week. And depending upon the number of people in the group, if you are actively trading, okay, I'm gonna increase the day, what do you say, weekly signals from 5 to around 7 or 8. But depend upon how many people are in the group. So if you wanna be part of, if you are, so like, if you want to be part of it, message me. If you are from Europe, if from your UK, from states, don't worry. Message me too. I have something for those guys too. If you're specifically from Asian country, from Gulf countries, you can message me too. We'll sort this out. My team will sort this out. As of now, 2 minutes left for this 5 minute candle. As soon as this 5 minute candle will close, we have a clear picture that will price decline further off from this demand zone. Listen, it's the same thing. Demand, support is different words, same meaning. Let's, while it's making a small retracement, let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is declining further down. Accordingly, and let's come back over here. It seems like this is a nice area to enter a buy on gold. Oh, why you wanna buy? Because I know what I'm doing. I am entering a buy over here. I just entered a buy. Okay. I'm gonna take profit around over here 2618 or 2619. This is a quick scalp. Let me put this up. I took that trade before I marked it over here. My stop loss is at 26.10 because I know if it does that fucking crazy pullback. And my take profit on this is around here. First take profit is here. As soon as my take profit one hits, I'm gonna shift all my stop loss to break even over here. And by the way, this trade I need to shift my stop loss. Aha. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, what the fuck? Stop loss is exactly 94405.78. This is what you do on your MetaTrader 5 or whatsoever. See, it means now we are running at zero risk, 0% risk. What's the worst thing that can happen? Hit your fucking break even, right? Zero risk. Only 100% profit. This is what I say, a zero risk, 100% profit guaranteed. You already took take profit one, right? You already in profit. And all your trades now are at break even. You have no money on the risk. This is how you trade. Trade management makes you profitable, not not a nice area to enter, not a nice area to enter a buy or a sell. Trade management, trade psychology makes you profitable. That's where the majority of the people, they don't spend their time, they waste their time on a stupid entry area waiting for a gold price to reach a specific area or a Bitcoin price to reach a specific area, and they put place in their buy limits, their sell limits. You need to understand it's not you. Just like they say, it's not the car, it's the driver. It's the same way. It's not the charts, it's the trader. This is trade psychology. If you get it right, you are like nothing can stop you. And see, I opened a buy over here. Now it's going up slowly, slowly. It will seems like it's dropping, but it will shake it off and go up. This is what it does. And if what happens if it goes down? It hit my stop loss, right? But that's a loss I can live with, right? Because that loss is called a educated loss. Never. Okay, there is a thing called stop loss hunting. When it happens, yeah, I know, shift your stop loss. But definitely on a day like when there is no high impact news, nothing happening, and right, it's just Tokyo closed off like 34 minutes ago. Things are just sideways, and on a 15-minute time frame, it looks like it's dropping down, and you need to see for signs for possible retracements. You need to get early, and how you get in early, it depends upon your trading setup. I have a trading setup which I'm teaching, which I have taught in the last 4 batches in Pro Wolf Trader beginner batch. It's an entry setup which is quite I've been using for like more than 4 or 5 years, and that is included. But you can use anything that works for you. It's not necessary, but you should practice it. The more you practice, the better you get in it, and trade it without emotion. If emotions are involved while you are trading, you are doing something wrong. You're absolutely doing something wrong, something horrible. Just waiting for this 5 minute candle to close. 1 minute left. and see how I was positioned myself somewhere around 26.14, and now the price is at 26.16. You know, you will get some of the nice entries at area where you don't even want to buy or sell. That's how it is. You buy when you don't want to buy, and you sell when you don't want to sell. Okay, new 5 minute candle is up now. And now, exactly at this area, I will prefer a buy. This is a buy entry, buy re entry. But you will, and yeah, since this is a 5 minute candle, you will enter in last 2 minutes, because in the first 3 minutes it always drops down, and in the last 2 minutes it does a pullback. So timing is also important. Doing the right thing at the wrong time will cost you, but doing the right thing at the right time will always make profit for you. See, we are just 2 minutes are gone. This is the third minute. Just wait for it. We'll enter in the last 2 minutes. And it seems like, oh, it's dropping. You could have taken profit out. Wait for it. It's like, we are trading for so many years. Our brain are function in a way, so we cannot untrain ourselves. We know what's happening. So if you're somebody who's just a retail trader, just started off trading, he's dropping, he's buying, stupid. Our brain is used to seeing time, candlestick at different time frames. We plan our trades. We have setups. Our eyes are trained to see what you cannot see. This is why mostly young folks, they don't understand what's happening. If you are trading with your eyes, you will get deceived. Okay, so we are in the last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Wait for the entry. Wait. As soon as the last 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you enter. Now you enter a buy. You just enter a buy and then you leave it. This is a nice entry. You just let it be then. Let me go grab some coffee. I'll be right back. And please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icons to stay notified whenever I go online. Okay, so I'm back. So as you can see, we let this run and head back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin trade, as you can see, is running 0% risk. Bitcoin is, more. I, to be honest, I made more money on Bitcoin than gold. That's my how much potential Bitcoin has. I never traded this. And by the way, if you're somebody who trades crude oil, natural gas, Forex, stop wasting your time and join the premium group. I'm telling you, save your money, get the signal, make your profit. Let us take care of the signals and you just take care of the profit. Save your time. No need to waste hours and hours taking a stress over, you know, reading FOMC, BOJ, Bank of England, blah, blah, blah. Life is short, enjoy it, enjoy the profit. And it's not like you wanna be making profits all the time. Some trades will come that are gonna hit stop loss. It's realistic, but we will make more profits. We're not gonna be taking trade on every, you know, area. No, you're gonna wait for it. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna let things run. Gold is doing what gold does. It will drop and it seems like it's dropping. Everybody will get on a sell and boom, it goes up. So our trade is running in profits, fams. 0% risk. Federico, Glenn, gold is dropping. No, it's not dropping, my friend. This is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. What you see is happening is not happening. This is how the market tricks you. If you took a sell before the Tokyo close, it's understandably you could have taken profit right now. This is where the Tokyo closed. But if you had, for example, Tokyo was about to close, right? An hour before that, if you placed their trade over here a short, you had made profit. But right now, after almost like an hour of Tokyo close, after 10 minutes, gonna be exactly one hour is gonna complete Tokyo close. If you enter a sell now, you're gonna get hit by stop loss. This is what I'm teaching. You need to understand that market sessions play a really important role. You think you just if you just open a buy or a sell just because it reaches a certain area, you're gonna never be in profit. You need to understand what time it is, what market session this is, what market session close. That these things are important. This is why 92% of the trader, 95 to 92% of the traders are not profitable. They are not wrong, but their timing is wrong. They're doing the right thing at the wrong time. And I'm gonna prove it right now. And even if it hit a stop loss, it's all right. It will go up eventually if it's a stop loss hunt. But if it just plays nice, it doesn't play dirty, then hopefully you'll learn a thing or two in today's live stream. By the way, I'm eating my food. Don't mind. So somebody who opened a sell at this area can make a small money on $1 $2 drop, but I'm talking about a proper $7 $8 scalp. It's gonna go up. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin since I was talking about this. Okay, coming back to gold is gonna take some time, almost like 50. Let's get back to 15-minute time frame. It's gonna take some time, and it looks like it's holding off this range. This is a really demand zone. So we might see a fake out breakout. It goes down. It does a pullback up. There's a little bit of liquidity grab. The buy side liquidity grab. It can do that. Hit the stop losses of buyer and then straight head up. It does all these sort of these things. Hit the like button, guys, and subscribe the channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever I go live or upload a new video. We will be doing intraday trading today since this holiday season. Christmas market is gonna close off early, so do check your time zone when the market is gonna close, and go enjoy some time with your family. And if you are in America, Canada, Australia, Europe, or wherever you are in the world, Merry Christmas in advance and happy holidays and happy New Year in advance too. I hope this year brought you lots of joy, profits, and you hit your goals. And looking forward to 2025. We don't know what we are entering into. Maybe a new pandemic, maybe a global alien invasion, the thing that is happening in New York and New Jersey. Maybe World War III. I don't know, but I hope you make profits, because in crisis there are opportunities to make profit. Before World War I, people were made profits. Those who made industries, ornaments, tanks, cars, blah blah blah, trucks, bikes, advancements. Then in World War II, same. Then the oil races started. Then the space races started. And in the 90s, the internet dot com. Now in the social media era, we have now we are entering the AI age, the age of AI. So please don't ignore these things. You have to stay updated. If you stop learning, if you stop reading books, you'll get fucked up. This new generation, you know, getting rich nowadays is not as hard as it was back then. It's just that these, it's like when I read those stories that a guy he just bought a peanut coin like for like $70, and it just 7 8 months later it went like 1.4 million. I just lose my shit. Like, what the fuck? This is like some biblical shit, like, right? It's written like in the end of the times, getting rich won't be that hard. Guess what? I'm sick, but I'm still streaming. This is all the, what do you say, liquidity grab I was talking about. It will do a small liquidity grab, then it's gonna go up. I just place my trade. My stop loss is setting over to 226.10 for a reason, but I just want that it doesn't play dirty. Sorry about that. My throat actually is hurting a lot. Okay, so let's update the Fibonacci. This because it did a small pullback. But actually, you know what? I'm just gonna put it that the older place. If we look at the 15-minute, we can clearly see that the last 15-minute candle closed in bullish. Keeping that in mind, our entry is exactly at the area it should supposed to be. And this is how you make profits. Same, we're gonna head back to gold. What do you say, Bitcoin? Bitcoin is also doing a smooth drive downward. It's gonna take some time, an hour or two, or maybe it can also take 15 minutes, but it's headed down. So both are trades on gold and on Bitcoin. Is we are already in profit. Gold is we are getting there. I need to take some rest. Maybe I cannot stream that much because my throat is hurting. Here is the push that we were waiting for. So if you would have opened a sell, you would have mostly be in a wrong spot. Then you'll be cursing yourself, why the hell I opened a sell? If you are still here, Frederico, this is why you wait. I hope it helped you. Now, since our trade is on the spot, and you see, I use nothing. I just use my trade psychology, and I'm just using Fibonacci for. I mean, just showing you guys. But in the back, I have some other stuff open too for further confirmation. But if you just using Fibonacci, you can do wonders with this thing. So yeah, just wait for it. Wow! Oh, look at the push on Bitcoin. TP2 almost about to hit. This is why I say if gold is too slow, trade on Bitcoin. And I'm focusing on Bitcoin more than gold because we get more pips over here, more movement, more scalp friendly and swing friendly. And gold is up now almost. Now, since we are going in profit, let's discuss where our take profit should be so you guys are not panicking. Your first take profit should be around this area 2617. But if you are somebody who doesn't want to wait, must be put it over here. Let me delete. Take profit too, you can put over here. TP3. TP4. It's up to you where you want to take it. I do it like this. And then TP5. See the push? This is what I was talking about. We are trading for such a long time. that my eyes are used to this thing. So this is why when it's dropping off, people are writing me message, hating me, showing me like this is not just you. I mean, normally people who are on the sell, you need to understand that you are not in control of the price. Not even I. We are just following the price. You just need to spend hours and hours and hours and try to figure out a way and understand the pattern and how it acts differently in each market session. And if you figure that out, then you'll figure out the answers to why you are still in loss. Listen, you need to understand that your ego is not bigger. Mostly people have ego at the size of a mountain. They never accept their mistakes. And if you don't do that, you will get slapped, bitch slapped by the market. Look at the waves pushing up. If anybody walks to me right now and say that he didn't open this buy, I will ask him why, bro, why? If you really want to understand how trading is done, how scalping is done, how swing trading is done, this is your chance to grab the Pro Bull Trader 5th batch starting from 1st January. 31st December is the last date to enroll yourself. I will not accept anybody more right now. There are only 13 spots left. There are people messaging me. I will see later on how much spots are left. But if you, even if are 1 day late and deposit money, I'm gonna refund you. I will not accept you more because I'm really stuck in these matters. You had whole 1 month to decide, and time is valuable. Money comes back. Time will not come back. So please be serious about trading. Okay. And a lot of people who took it seriously in batch 1, 2, 3, and 4, their lives are transforming in front of my eyes and in front of their eyes and their loved ones. And they can see the positivity in themselves. There are also some people within that group that don't take trading seriously and they're still repeating their old bad habits. If you are doing that, if you are, you know, repeating those bad habits, then nothing will change. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Understand that. Nothing changes when nothing changes. I can only advise you, but in the end, you are a mature person. You are not 18. You are not a teenager. You are a mature person. You have responsibilities of your family and your career. So make some smart decisions, okay? Not just financially, but likewise, because once we are 2025 above, time is precious, right? We are short on time and we need to do everything. If you wanna buy that dream car, dream home, vacation, lifestyle, financial security, stability, you need to do things the right way. Then time is valuable, not money. Money, of course, is necessary. There's certain fixed amount that pays your utility bills, groceries, your children education, your health care. Putting that aside, how much are you saving? Are you saving enough to buy that dream car or that dream home or that dream, vacation or to retire off your parents? It depends. Are you saving money on the side? Nowadays, If you don't have any crypto portfolio, you are missing out. Back then, I remember you used to go buy some old stocks of any bank or company bonds, but nowadays you have meme coins, you have some altcoins and a bunch of other. If you even spend 50 $100 and buy like 5 to 10, even one of them goes 100x, you can make like 1 to 2 million dollars, but it will take some time. It will not magically happen overnight. Of course, it will take like a year or two. Let's just say in 2025 Donald Trump comes in. After next year, December 2025, Bitcoin is sitting at 200k or above 200k. What do you think will happen with XRP, Dogecoin, and what Pepe and Ponk and Shibuni and what was that other coin? Bong and a bunch of other. Of course, they will explode. Their market cap will increase. And if you are somebody who bought early off and is still holding, we don't know where you might be sitting at a huge, you know, huge bucks of money. But you need to see the potential. You need to understand how market works. Patience is key. There is no quick money. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever I go live or post any video regarding weekly analysis or any informative news about crypto or any other thing happening in the market. Right now, currently we are in profits, not just on gold, but before that we took profit on Bitcoin. Scalping, we are scalping. TP1 is already taken on Bitcoin, and after TP1 we put all the other layers of sell on break even. So we are zero risk, 100% profit. And on gold, we are right now also in profit. TP1 is about to hit. As soon as take profit 1 hits, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna move our stop loss to break even and let the trade run. 0% risk, 100% profit guarantees. If you wanna trade the way you are seeing in front of your screen and you want those trading setups that I am using to enter a buy or a sell scalp, join the Pro Wolf Trader. Batch 5th is starting from 1st January. The last date of registration is 31st December. And I'm not going to accept any more. You had whole 1 month to register. There are 13 spots left. In total, there are 20 seats and 7 seats are allocated. You have 13 spots available. I don't care if 10 seats are free. I'm going to start the session. Even if you're somebody who applied at the last day, I'm not going to accept you. I'm going to refund you. And if you want to be part of Pro Wolf Trader Group 3 Premium Signal channel, you can message me on Telegram. I'll tell you the details. You will get not just gold, Bitcoin, but you will get Forex, you will get S&P 500, US 30, Nasdaq 100. Besides that, you will get natural gas, you will get what do you call a whole bunch of other stuff. And it's just at a small price of $100 per month. Plus, if you want to upgrade it, you can go for 3 months, yearly or lifetime. It's just cheap. Mostly people who join the premium, they made all that money within like half an hour. Everything is, understandable. But yeah, I advise you, if you have a capital less than $500, please don't message me to join the premium group. It won't help you. Seriously, I'm saying it's for your advantage. Minimum you should have $1,000 or $2,000. If you have it, you can easily make $1,500 to $1,000 profit, 800, 700 in a week or so by following the signals. People made thousands of dollars. There are guys who made $7,000 to $8,000 a week. There are guys who made 20, 25, $30,000 in a month just from $3 to $4,000, pound or euro whatsoever, man. Without emotions, just follow the process. That's it. It's not just that every trade is gonna be profitable. Yes, there are gonna be some trades that are gonna hit stop loss, but in the end, we'll be more profitable. You have to risk it, right? But you will outlive. You need to see everything is possible. I'm gonna be really busy in 2025. I have some New Year goals, resolutions. I'm planning some big collabs. So what are you waiting for, man? it This is what happens. It hits. Now what I'm gonna do is my stop loss. I have done this actually. 2621.44. I'm putting at break even. So now we are running zero risk, 100% profit. So what's the worst thing that can happen over here? It comes down, hits our anti area. We're not gonna be in a loss. We're just gonna get out at break even. We already took profits, right? So we are already profitable. So this is why you need to, make up a setup that relaxes your mind, that works for you. I like to trade in this way. Once I take profit one, I'm like, okay, I made my profit. I made my money. All those trades there now are done running at break even. So I don't need to worry about anything. I can go, look for trade on the crude oil, natural gas, Forex, USD, JPY, Euro, JPY, And while I'm focused on that, trying and sell a scalp or a buy scalp, I'll see that it will start hitting TP23 and I'll be just making money. This is what you do. I've been doing this for a decade. So it's and the more you practice, the more it becomes, it becomes a part of you. So practice it, keep practicing it, follow your trade plan, don't chase your losses. If your stop loss is sitting there, let it sit there. If it's a stop loss hunt, then it's understandable. But majority of the time it will just work for you. I'm doing this. This is an educational stream. At the same time, I'm showing you guys of this, but I have done this several times. I've been doing this for 4 or 5 months daily. So after some point, I will stop doing live trading. I will just come here, show you guys how to make plot Fibonacci and other stuff. But the thing is, I get a lot of messages of people who are literally haters and bullshitters. So I do this to just show you guys that, let the haters hate. We are growing because of haters. I always, appreciate you guys, my followers, my subscribers. But I should also, thanks my haters too, because if they didn't hate me that much, I wouldn't be, streaming today. So the more you guys hate, the more I will be motivated to, come here and prove you guys that you guys suck. Because all they want is negativity and all I will spread is positivity. I know there are lots of people out there that are suffering. They're in a terrible losing streak. They don't know what they're doing wrong. I'm going to come here. I'm going to tell them what they're doing wrong and maybe they can learn a thing or two. And I build this Pro Wolf Trader community. So it can help everybody. You don't need money to be profitable. You can be profitable. You will learn a lot. Just watch the stream. If you want to make serious money, come join the premium. But its premium is also not for everybody. For only those people who are busy, they're individuals who work in government jobs or corporate jobs. They don't have time to sit in front of charts. So they pay a small price of $100 per month subscription fee and they're getting signals and they make more money. I have everything is like this profit screenshot, everything is there. So need to understand this premium signal group business model is not for everybody. If you're somebody who's learning, spending time, then you can, do this. But if you don't have time, just join the premium, make money. I know mostly people in group 1, 2, 3 are the people who don't have time. They're busy with their lives because trading is a really, difficult job. That's the reason if you're in a hedge fund or a prop firm, the pay is really high. You get 4 to 5 figure. And after 3, 4 years, there's a reason because there are really less few people who are, make money, who are profitable. So this is why in finance field, there's a really high pay, high salary to individuals who are high, who do high performance. And it's up to you, whatever you like. Anyway, so holy shit, Bitcoin dropped down. Damn, it's just dropping down. Look at that push. While we were talking, TP2 is about to hit on Bitcoin too. Today is a nice day, I can feel the Christmas vibes. I hope everybody is making profit too. It's a nice day. And it's a nice week to end the new year. End the year, sorry. Guys, so if you are not in the Telegram group, the link is given down below in the bio in the description. Join the Telegram group. Join the Discord. I'll share the link too. There is the link to the Discord. Oh, sorry, Telegram. And here's the link to Discord. Discord is where I am sitting right now. Actually, you know what? You guys can go join the Discord from this link. Go in my link tree, and from there you can select the Discord community over there. Join it. And I post and trade analysis, updates, whatever that is happening geopolitically, economic calendar, all that's it. I update it. Yeah, on the premium and on the free community both. So join it, be a part of it. Let's head back to gold. Our trade is running at break even. So even if it comes back down here, it just we already take profit 1 or 2. We are in profits, so it doesn't matter. So our mind is relaxed. We can look at other stuff. This is how you plan your trade. This is how you stay ahead in the game. 6 people are watching and none of them are active on chat. Guys, come on, don't be shy. Talk with me. Come on. If you have any questions, you can ask me up. Anything that you have in mind. I'm an open book. Come on, guys. Don't be shy. This TP2 is about to hit. So yeah, both Bitcoin and gold trades TP1 on Bitcoin hit, TP1 and 2 on gold hit, and both of the trades are running at break even. That means 0% risk and free money almost. Free trades, free money, and I'm relaxing. And we are not even just half day over there, half day on the intraday. What time is it? We are almost 2 hours into the London session, already in profit, and on break even. Nice, nice. And guys, don't forget, go check that video out. The video I posted, I think it's a 2 minute video regarding MSTR MicroStrategy. If you are somebody who trades Bitcoin, crypto, or any other Ethereum or whatsoever, Solana, you definitely need to go check that out. And today is Christmas, I think. Yeah, today. We have Christmas and holidays coming up, so do check your time zone. So you know what you're doing. And don't and close your trades. Don't let your trades run. I mean, you can possibly let it run. I mean, you can trade Bitcoin, it won't affect you, but gold, Forex, natural gas, crude oil, S&P 5, stuff like that. The market is going, I think, gonna close at 1800 hours. We almost have 8 hours. 8 hours. We have 8 more hours for trading. It depends upon your broker too, right? So check that out. Now the price is coming back down. Look what happens. As soon as it will hit the entry area, my trade will be closed. All those other trades which are running will be closed at break even. So I already made profit. TP1 to hit. And now my other trades which were running are automatically closed any moment now, and just there, just slightly there. On no, it hasn't hit in on my, yeah, it hit. So all the trades now are closed. I mean the ones which were still running. So I came out profitable. Okay, this is how you do it. I came out profitable. My stop loss didn't got triggered. Now I'm in profits on gold. Now what I can do is wait for the pullback, and then I can re-enter again and repeat the entire process again. Okay, this is what you do. But if you're somebody like, oh, it's okay, this is a nice area, it's all right, I'll put my stop loss back up, where it was, nothing to worry about, is gonna go up. Do that. I mean, this is the way I trade, okay? Because I like take my profit and put at 0% risk. So if it has the potential to retrace back or fall back, I know that I'm profitable at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, I always want to walk away with pips. You will make some pips, you will lose some pips, but you will just at the end of the day make sure you make more pips. If you don't know anything about pips, you need to understand that all, I mean, overall, what the traders in the Wall Street, all they do all day is like they just make pips. They don't look trading like, okay, I made profit, I made loss. No, how much pips did I made and how much pips I lost, and at end of the day, am I in positive or not? That's what it matters for them, and that's how you should train your mind too, and your trade psychology too. Just don't look at those trades. Oh shit, I lost money. Say, okay, how much pips did I lose? How much did I make? If let's just say you made 100 pips and you lost 40 pips, you still made 60 pips for the day, right? And let's just take an example. I'm live streaming, right? And on Bitcoin, $1 is like 100 pips. TP1 is almost like $13,000, 13,000 pips, okay? And gold is 2616, right? And our NT was 14, almost like 30-40 pips over here. Yeah, in short, I made 30 pips over here, 40 pips over there. That means we in total made 70 pips on gold and 13,000 pips on Bitcoin. So we are profitable at the end of the day, right? We are in short 1370 pips. Sorry, 13,070 pips without losing any trade. So if I can just close everything and walk away right now, I'm still profitable at the end of the day. This is what your mindset should be. This is 90% win rate strategy. The only way to do is trade less but manage your trade appropriately. Be smart, right? It's hard to earn money, right? Easy to lose it. So you should know how to manage your trade. Manage it in a way that your risk is minimized. And this is by far nobody out there is teaching the stuff I am teaching over here. Nobody. Go watch even those YouTubers who have 3, 3, 4, 4, 8, 8, 2 million subscribers. Nobody is teaching this stuff live. Nobody is even telling you. I think teaching you, they don't even know this thing exists. Even if they know it, they're not applying it or they're not sharing it. I mean, this is the simplest and the easiest way I can, make things for you. There's no easy way. More easier, way to. Trading is not easy in short, but in short, managing your trade, I mean. There's no easier way to manage your trade. Now it falls back to this zone and start doing the same. And you know what? Let me show you one more thing. This is 15 minutes, right? Let's move our take profits on the side for a second. Okay. So, and even over here, this on the side. So what you see right now is a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, you always, I say, always look for direction at 1 hour and 4 hour. So when you are looking at 1 hour, 4 hour, you should all go 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute for entry. Right now you see a 15 minute. 15 minute is always used for swing trading. Now, given that it went up, came back down, you always have to consider that this is a retracement. You see a large bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. This is like higher high, higher low. This is the the best way to enter another trade. You can enter over here. There's this definitely going up. Definitely. So let's just enter another trade exactly at this area now. Okay. On a 15-minute time frame. We will enter in a 15-minute time frame and we are swing trading now. So right now, what is the time? We still have around how much time we have? 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes for this 15-minute time frame. 15-minute candle to finish. So we entered over here on the pullback and we're gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close above 26.15. As soon as it will close 26.15, the next 15-minute candle that's gonna open is most possibly, do a pullback and then it's gonna do the exact same thing it does. So this is why I say you need to understand how the pullback works. The only way it will, the best way to, make it work out is combine Fibonacci, what do you say, Fibonacci with, 5 minute, 15 minute, and, figure it out. There's different ways to trade. What if it works for you, it doesn't work for somebody else, somebody's trading at 5 minutes, somebody at 15 minutes. Work with whatever you're comfortable with, what suits you. Okay, so as is visible over here, the 15-minute time frame is doing a pullback. As soon as this 15-minute time frame will candle is gonna close, I'm gonna switch to 5 minute and then I'll show you why 15 and 5 minute time candlestick is really crucial for entering a scalp. If you can open two screens, one 15-minute, one 5 minute, and on both, you can use it for entry, you can do wonders with it. Come on, guys, hit the like button if you haven't liked the video. I'm looking forward to 20 likes today for intraday live streaming. And hit the subscribe button to stay update. Hit the notification bell. So whenever I come live, you guys can quickly hop in and don't waste any time. So how much time is left? 3 minutes, I guess. 3 minutes. Yeah. 3 minutes for this 15-minute time frame to end. As soon as 15-minute candle is closed, we're gonna wait. Okay, guys, as clearly visible over here, the 15-minute candle is about to close in 20 seconds and is close bullish. Now we are gonna head back to 5 minutes, just like I said. And this is why I say 15-minute and 5 minute is really crucial for entering a buy. If you don't considering what time frame, what market session you are trading in, you're gonna have a really hard time. Now let's put this back up. Since I opened this trade again, I'll be making off some nice scalps again in this area. Gold is what gold does. It's it's not so hard. It's just you have to, do it without any emotions. Without emotions, have a trading setup, utilize it, keep practicing. If you didn't practice in 2024, it's all right. You can practice it in 2025, but don't waste any time. I started off streaming 5 months ago, and here we are, almost 6 months to this channel, Pro Wolf Trader, baby. So hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you haven't. 2025 is starting. New Year goals, New Year resolution. Lots of collabs coming. Big things are coming. Big profits are coming. Opportunities are coming. Are you ready for it? If you are not ready, make yourself. Prepare for it. Life is short, live it fully. Understand the value of time. And be patient. Patience is the key. Without patience, you can achieve nothing. Even it take millions of years and lots of process for a gold to turn into a diamond. But you are God's finest creation. You are a human being capable of doing wonders. So don't underestimate yourself and throw the negativity out. Because whatever you will think, the universe will manifest in front of you. So have nice positive thoughts in your mind, and nice positive things will happen in your life. Even if your life if you are in a really hard situation, if you are in a financial debt, whatever situation you are, just believe in God. No matter what religion you follow, have some faith and trust that you got through the worst time and the good time is ahead. Okay, guys, so TP1 is hit again. So that's another sweet 40 50 pips profit. So this is how you do it. And then again, the same process. I put the trade on break even. So this is how you do it. You keep it simple. And you let it run. You let it do its stuff. You don't overthink about anything. You just let the trades run. That's it. You just let it run. Sir, why do you buy? Is gold not bearish on 50 minutes after the brother? I think you need to go and what you saw, watch like an hour, 1 hour like recap. You will understand why I bought and why I did what I did. Listen, majority of the time, if you are a choo or fair value gap, these things doesn't work majority of the time. Yeah, you see this break of structure. I put this, you know, I know because a lot of people are trading. Even I know about this, but I have my own stuff. I have my own trading setup, which I'm utilizing for scalping. And this is, you know, I'm teaching this in the batch too. You get 5 trading setups, and this is included. It's not shown over here, but I'm just saying what I'm not sharing my trading strategy right now. It's in the beginner course, but over there I'm not using any ICT, SMC, nothing. It's pure knowledge based with experience, and stuff. I have backtested more than 400, 500 indicators in my past 6 7 years, and out of those 500, 400 indicators, only 100 will work for you, but out of those 100, only 20 to 25 are worth your time. And from those 25, 20, I picked up top 10, which works in a trendy market, upward, downward, or a sideways, and for scalping. And I made up my setup, you know, utilize knowledge with experience, with data, back tested it months after months, while also making profit at the same time. So this is years of worth of experience and knowledge. This is why there's a price tag of $450 for 1 month. I'm teaching you everything. It seems like, oh, he's allowed. No, it's not allowed. It's really less. I should be charging thousands of dollars, because I have said nobody has ever said, okay, I can't make profit out of this thing. Everybody make profit. Even if you know nothing about trading, nothing, I mean nothing. You're just fresh 1 2 days, and I just teach you this stuff, how it works. You're gonna make profit. I'm just saying that's how good that thing is. But I would just say that 2025 is starting. Just don't stick with ICT, SMC. Also learn a thing or two. ICT, SMC will not always work. So always have a trading setup which works. Market is not always bullish, bearish, sideways. You know. So have a backup plan. If it doesn't work for you, you're not gonna sit down and wait for the market to make things right for you. You have to make things right for yourself. And the only way to do it, hey, what's up? Miss you. Morning, man. Morning for you. Not for me, brother. It's already late over here. It's getting cold over here. Sun is about to set. There's a 5 minute order blocking the price. Nothing is blocking, brother. I need you guys for a second. Just forget everything you know about order block, this and that. Just forget that you know anything and just focus on what I'm trying to teach. Then you'll understand. It's like I'm trying to unplug your brain and to show you the matrix line. And I'm gonna unplug you guys now. Five, four, three, two, one. Boom. I unplugged you for a second. Nothing. Nothing. No chart, nothing. Forget any indicator. Forget ICT, SMC, fair value gap, order blocks of demand, supply, support, resistance, price action, blah blah. Forget everything. Just forget everything. Now look at this. 15 minute. Look at this. 5 minute. Or hell, let's go 1 minute. Forget everything. Forget everything you know. Just let's go on 1 minute. I just want you guys to stare at this 1 minute. I'm not gonna talk for the next 5 minutes. Just look at this with me. Put on some music and just stare at this thing for the next 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is over, I'm gonna open up my mic and then explain to you why I did what I did. Okay, so here we go. So I'm back. So as you can see, why I told you guys look at the time frame, because on 1 minute time frame you can clearly see what's happening. So where will you sell? You will sell over here. Then it's gonna go up. Then you're gonna wait. When it's gonna finally come over here, you're gonna say, oh, it's finally going down. Guess what? It's going up again. So 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. That's why it's really important. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ ये, and I'm gonna do some, in एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे देखने की ये है कि जितने भी आपको प्राइस मूवमेंट हो रही है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो आपको प्राइस फॉलो करना है 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे। अब मैं कुछ चीज़ें कहने जा रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं उर्दू में बोल रहा था कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर इतने सारे लोग ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, फॉरेक्स सीखो हो गया, वली बाबा एफएक्स हो गया, ठीक है, पता नहीं एक बीएसएम है, पता नहीं कौन कौन लोग हैं। अभी आप चले जाओ, सबके पास हज़ारों लोग आ रहे होते हैं देखने, ठीक है, सिग्नल लेने आ रहे होते हैं, लेकिन वो खुद क्या कर रहे हैं? खुद क्या कर रहे हैं? वो कुछ कभी बताते हैं वो लोग कि इस तरह से हो रहा है, इस तरह से बाय? कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, कोई एजुकेशन नहीं, कुछ नहीं। फजूल की फेयर वैल्यू क्या है, फजूल की आईसीटी एसएमसी, फजूल की चीज़ें। कोई इन डेप्थ इतना बताता है? कोई नहीं करता, ठीक है, कोई भी नहीं करता। सब वहाँ पे जाके सिग्नल का भीख मांग रहे होते हैं कि मुझे सिग्नल दे दें, मैं सिग्नल दे दें, ठीक है। और वो लोग चाहते भी यही है, क्योंकि उनका बिजनेस मॉडल ही यही है कि वो बस ढेर सारे सब्सक्राइबर हों, ग्रुप में हो। मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं लोगों के टाइम की वैल्यू दे रहा हूँ उनको। मैं टीच भी कर रहा हूँ, जिन जो नहीं कर सकते मैं उनको टीच कर रहा हूँ, जितना हो सकता है कर रहा हूँ सबके लिए, भाई सीधी सी बात है। मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा। इन शॉर्ट मैं बताऊँ, मेरा कितना टाइम जाता है इस चैनल पे मैं जानता हूँ। जब मैं बैठा हुआ यहाँ लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा होता हूँ तो मुझे इसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं मिलता, ठीक है, मुझे इसका कोई फ़ायदा इतना सच नहीं मिलता, और अभी मिल भी नहीं रहा, मैं ये कर भी नहीं रहा किसी के फ़ायदे के लिए। मैं फ़ीस अभी लिल्लाह कर रहा हूँ भाई, ठीक है, मेरे बिजनेस मॉडल बना हुआ है। जो जिसके पास पैसा है, ठीक है, टाइम नहीं है, वो आ जाए ज्वाइन कर ले प्रीमियम सिग्नल, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सर्विसेज है ना, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं हम, प्रोवाइड कर भी रहे हैं। और जो नहीं कर सकता वो भाई फ्री स्ट्रीम देख के जितना हो सकता अपना काम चलाए, यही है ना। मैं क्यों भाई खामा खा में लोगों के पीछे पड़ूँ भाई, ये कर लो कर लो, जिससे जो हो रहा है वो ले ले। जो नहीं ज्वाइन कर सकता सिग्नल ग्रुप, वो लाइव स्ट्रीम देखे, जो कर सकता है वो ज्वाइन कर ले, जो कोर्स ले सकता है कर ले। सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो है ना। तो इसमें नफरत की क्या बात है, इसमें हेट की कहाँ से बात आ गई? और जो कर रहे हैं वो इमेच्योर है, छोड़ दो उनको। वो तो ज़िंदगी के हारे हुए लोग हैं, नाकाम लोग हैं, वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे। जाहिर है उनसे जिस तरीके से बात की गई ज़िंदगी पर, वही वही हेट जाके वो फैलाएंगे, तो उन पे फोकस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अब हम आ जाते हैं अपने 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे, ठीक है, ये रहा 5 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम। अब हम आते हैं 15 मिनट के। वी हैव almost like 2 hours for New York Open, and in total we have like 7 to 8 hours left, because today the market is gonna switch off. Market is gonna be closed early off because of Christmas holiday. All we have to do is now wait for the US session to open. When the US session open, that's where the real fun starts. As of now, I have zero gold trades running. I mean, I have some long trades running from here, but besides that, everything is over here. Scalp is over. I finished it. Even I took profits over here. Now I'm preparing myself for New York Open, waiting for the buy entries. Today is just Raymond Manufacturing Index. Tomorrow is bank holiday, of course. And then Thursday, unemployment claims, of course. But there's going to be a bank holiday in New Zealand, Australia, mostly in European countries, UK, Canada. But US unemployment claims and crude oil inventories. So looking forward to that. And on Friday, as usual, nothing special, just natural gas storage and some, Japanese CPI that's gonna probably gonna happen again. And if you, when you are done with your holidays, go through all the Bank of Japan and Bank of Canada, England, and Fed meeting minutes and read it through. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Trade is running at break even. Just gonna drop down quickly. You guys still here? Who's here watching the stream? Nice. I know you wanna sell gold. I know you wanna sell gold. But tell me, what does your mind say? Don't listen to your heart. What does your mind say? It's a wrong area to enter a sell, right? Exactly what I was thinking about. Let's go in 1 minute. See, this is what I was talking about. Open your eyes, Neo. Wake up. What if this is a fake out breakout? What if it is the drop? What if nothing happens? What if it's sideways? What if everything is what if? Well, I'm buying again. I know, man, you won't buy. You buy when you don't wanna buy and you sell when you don't wanna sell. It's the market. It knows how you think and it will do the exact opposite of what you think. You know what? Let me give you a small exercise. Just don't look at the chart, just look at the numbers. Numbers go up and down, and just count how many times it went up and how many times it went down. And if it's going down 3 times as more than going up, then buy. And if it's going 3 times up, then it's going down, then sell. Try doing this on demo and then give me a feedback. But as of now, I'm just looking at the numbers, not looking at the chart on 1 minute. That's why I switched to 1 minute. We're gonna trade like the people in the Wall Street were doing in the 60s and the 70s, where were no charts, right? They were just numbers displayed on a some or on just not even on a screen, hardly like on screaming, yelling people. Anyways, try doing that. I'm gonna buy. Let's go. Okay. So here's the buy momentum coming on 15 minutes. Here is the buy momentum coming on a 15-minute time frame. And this is why I don't sell. Don't hate the game. Learn the game. It's in the game. I mean, just in this zone, I made like 200 pips just in this damn zone. I took a buy over here on 1 minute. Sniper shot. Sniper entry. What was it? Sniper entry. Fair value gap. What was that? Wake off strategy. What the fuck? Ah, I need to take a break, man. Bitcoin is going down. This is a nice area for sell. Man, So here we are. Here we are. Still buying, still selling. No, just buying, taking profits, and then coming out. Scalping. So this was today's lesson for how to use Fibonacci. I hope it was helpful. If you are watching it late right now, you can go back and start watching it from the London session. You want to learn a lot. I'm sick a little bit, so I'm thinking of ending the stream now because this is holiday season. But it depends. My TP, as long as it's heading up, I already took a lot of TP, so I let this run. I'm not feeling well actually. I might turn off the stream and go take some rest. I wanted to at least stream for 7 8 hours. Okay, guys, so here we are. Our trade is running. Just scalping. You're just scalping. You're not holding anything for long because it's holiday season, right? Most probably, a lot of people who are holding on to their shorts, they will close their shorts because they like to take their profits before they walk away. And likely, I think a buy surge is coming on gold. Other than that, same thing goes for Bitcoin. I don't think there's too much selling pressure on Bitcoin as of now. If the stock market opens up and there's a gap up on MicroStrategy, it will most likely be followed by a Bitcoin. Bitcoin will pump up. Always around this year, Bitcoin pumps up. So there's a lot of buy pressure on Bitcoin. So that's what's happening. If still, guys, Pro Trader Premium Group 3 is available. You can join right now and get all the signals on crude oil, Forex, stock indices, energies, whatsoever. Also, Pro Bull Trader 5th batch is starting from 1st January. The last date of registration is 31st December. Don't be late. There are only 13 spots available. I won't be accepting anybody. Even if you are 1 day late, I will refund your fees. You had 1 whole month to prepare for to join the batch. 2025 is starting. I don't know how many batches I will be teaching in 2025 because I will be really busy. I'm planning some stuff. So yeah, I'll be really busy. So in short, join the premium group. And I'm also bringing up some extra stuff. I'm not giving any free signals anymore now on live stream, but I am creating a WhatsApp group. It will give 5 to 6 signals per week. But in order to qualify for that, you have to sign up on a specific broker and then send us the screenshot. We'll verify and then add you in the group. If you are living in Europe, if you are living in US, you can message me. We'll plan something for you too. But in short, that's how it's gonna be.